that 8 into 7, 7 into 8, 6 drop into 8. So
Thompson down that far side. Slides it on the outside. A chance, and it's an own goal. Abubakar has put it beyond Clint Irwin, and we're not even 80 seconds into the game. Inside the 6-yard box. Not sure that Abubakar could do much about that. It was straight at him, and had he not made any contact.
Abubakar comes across with his right foot. If he clears it with his left foot, it's cleared. It's on the in.
It's good to see.
Nick Lima overpowering Nicholson, holding him off. Looking for options. This is Vako. Back on his left foot, on his right foot.
Oh, my God.
Wow! Goal! San Jose! Another one for Vako.
Vako, but once again, after that, oh my word, so much skill, the ability to cut it left, individual brilliance by the Quakes designated player.
Coming in the 34th minute, now it's in front, Vega coming out to deny Diego Rubio. The foot of his own defender, Abubakar. Vako, who has a goal. Vako putting a rising shot on, and boy, at this point
You're sort of disappointed it didn't go in, aren't you? Two wonderful moves again.
Vako is onside.
Good ball there by Eriksson. Put it in the space of Vako. 1-on-1 for Vako.
Vako, Irwin, able to handle the powerful shot from the Quakes goal scorer tonight that Colorado does not have. Espinoza.
Oh.
Now it's Huson. Not pulled down. Baldomero Toledo.
Espinoza. You knew he was going to hit it as soon as he got the ball once again, but this is a chance.
Salinas on his right foot. Putting the shot on. Okay, Shea. Goal, San Jose.
And be calm and take it inside and slot it past Clint Irwin to put this game to bed.
And then playing to a scoreless draw in late October here at Avaya Stadium. All kinds of problems. That one is in the back of the net. The shutout is gone as Colorado strikes pay dirt in the 88th.
You see where the ball's deflected as it comes off of Diego Rubio, off of Marcus Lopez, and over the back of Daniel Vega. It was good work on the right-hand side. I think it was by Mesquita cutting in from that side, and that's
Florian Youngford stepping forward, seeing Danny Huson, and now wide for Espinoza. He's already hit the post in this one. In front! Salinas sneaking in front of Irwin to get a touch. That'll do it. Matias Almeida and the Earthquakes continue their outstanding run at home. 9 unbeaten.